What are AI agents? AI agents are smart programs that think, plan, take actions, and complete tasks automatically. How do AI agents work? AI agents follow three main steps. 1. Observe. They analyze the task. Read data. Search online. And gather information. 2. Think. They plan the best way to complete the task. 3. Act. They take real actions automatically, like writing, designing, running code, sending emails, managing tasks, creating content, collecting data. This is why people call them autonomous AI. They work on their own. What can you do with AI agents? 1. Content creation on autopilot. Agents can write scripts, post. Create video ideas, schedule content, generate thumbnails. Perfect for creators who want speed. 2. Freelance work automation. AI agents can handle writing. Graphic design. Programming. Social media posts. Communication. You can run a full freelancing business with just AI. 3. Online business management. They can automate customer support. Emails. Marketing. Campaigns. Product descriptions. Data reports. One agent can replace multiple virtual assistants. 4. Earning through AI side hustles. Use agents for affiliate marketing. YouTube. Automation. Etsy product creation. Dropshipping. Print on demand content. Agents generate content and you earn. 5. Data research and analysis. Agents can scrape websites. Compare products. Find trends. Generate summaries. Analyze competitors. Useful for business planning and strategy. 6. Coding and app development. Some agents can write code, test software, fix bugs, deploy apps, build websites. Devon AI and similar tools are revolutionizing coding. 7. Customer support automation. AI agents answer FAQs. Complaints. Support tickets. Chat inquiries. This saves time for businesses.